So I've just finished using this product right here. Hopefully the camera can pick it up. It is the Cream of Nature Clay and Charcoal Pre-Shampoo Detoxifying Clay Mask. That is a lot of words in one title, but yes, that is what I used. Ingredients include activated charcoal, runchol, and bentonite clay, even Rushol, yeah, I can't pronounce it. Rushol and bentonite clay, apple cider vinegar. What else? Because I saw it on here and now I can't. Okay, vegetable oil, camel oil, sunflower seed oil, you know, the normal stuff, so to say. Has no mineral oil and no petroleum. Yeah, petroleum. Hopefully this camera can pick it up. Maybe it can, maybe it can't. That is how much I got left. I will say that what is left over could be just one more use. So 2 uses from this jar. You saw it is very thick when I was showing you how I was using it and everything. Good. Washed it out. As you saw when I was putting my hair to the camera, I've got a towel on right now because I still got to continue my wash day routine, but I'm halfway through. Well, a quarter way through, shall I say. But yeah, I want to keep this on my head so I don't catch a cold, but I want to do a little talk about this product before I move on to something else as well. What can I say about it? It's a good product. The smell of it, it doesn't really have much of a smell. I would say like a fresh smell, a light fragrance, nothing much, that's it. Like I said, it's very, very thick, as you can see when you saw in the video. Washing it out, it was fine, it was easy. Washing it off my hands, fine, easy, no staining, nothing like that, because it's grey, and grey is a different colour product than usual standard typical hair product colours, should I say. Would I use it again? Yes, I will. Like I said, I've got one more usage out of it, and then I'm on to something else. What I was using before this clay mask, another Creme of Nature product again, the Creme of Nature argan oil from Morocco for natural hair, apple cider vinegar, clarifying rinse. This is what I've been using before I tried out the clay mask. This is what I've been enjoying using, because I like it better than the normal Bragg's apple cider vinegar. Has that horrible smell, very acidic. This, I find it much more neutralizing. It smells nice, it removes product buildup, seals the cuticles, helps protect the natural hair pH, and refreshes scalp. How I use this product, I use this, first of all, you know, put it in my head 2 times, once or twice, 2 times, just to cleanse my scalp, even though I will shampoo or co-wash my hair afterwards. But I just feel this is my first step usually, and then I move on to the co-wash or shampoo. But for this occasion, I used a pre-shampoo detoxifying clay mask, which I find is okay. As you see, I like the brand because I have used previous products from the brand. I've used the Pure Honey range from the brand as well. So yeah, no issues with this. My curls popped. It's got all the good ingredients in it. Bentonite clay, Russell, I can't pronounce this name. The other clay, Russell clay, apple cider vinegar, and activated charcoal. Hopefully I said that in the beginning as well. Activated charcoal as well, which is a good ingredient to have to draw out impurities in the scalp and in the hair. But this product is mainly for my hair. I left it on my head for more than 10 minutes, even though it says 10 minutes to leave this on. But the process it takes to record a video while you're taking your time with the sections, I left it in for a little bit longer than 10 minutes, but my hair is fine, as you saw. And let me take this off again. You see, my hair is fine. Shrinkage is real, but my hair is fine. Oh, it's getting dry because this towel, this microfiber towel, it just absorbs the water. But anyway, like I said, I am a quarter way in my wash day process. I'm going to co-wash my hair now, not with these products, or not with this range, not with Creme of Nature, another brand. But yeah, look at that, I'm tired already, you know, for real. But this was good though. Like I said, I will use it again, so I guess I'll use it the next wash day. I like the way my curls popped, but I'm liking the way my curls are looking in general nowadays anyway. But yeah, thank you for watching. Any queries, any questions, in the comments box below. Hope this was useful and everything. Like I said, nothing bad has happened to my hair. My hair is fine, thank goodness for that. It's thick. Literally, it's thick, but hey, can't complain, can I? And it is growing as well, so I can't complain. Yes, it looks short now because of shrinkage, but normally, there you go. There you go, there you go. Shrinkage, don't get fooled by shrinkage. But yeah, thank you. Gonna go continue my wash day routine. See you in the next video.